new home, bigger home. They have just moved into a bigger space. You can see now they are very comfortable. They are flying from one place to another. You can see the way they are very happy. The house is bigger. You can see for yourself. Bigger and bigger. Look the way they are very happy. I'm happy today, so happy. In Jesus' name, I'm happy because you have taken away my sins away. I'm happy, so happy today. Today they are 15 days old. They have taken a Newcastle dose at 14 days yesterday. Today they are very happy. Happy souls. Today they are 15 days old. This is group 2. 315 chicks. They have survived. You can see them the way they are very happy. Happy souls. Happy souls. Very happy. We are very happy. We are congested here. I don't know why. Are they tired? Asleep? Yes. They are very happy. Day 15 days. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Kite Poultry Farm. Subscribe. Yeah.